Good day, viewers. My name is Joshua Blematesa, the Education Manager, Yango Ghana. Today, I would like to introduce you to the Yango Mentorship Program. Mentorship is a special program for drivers, and mentors are the best drivers of the service who have been cooperating with us for a long time. They earn more money, know about the benefits of the service, and have very high driver ratings. A mentor is a person who helps new drivers to understand the service and improve their efficiency. You know, when a driver joins Yango, there are certain things about the app that they don't really understand. So a mentor driver is to guide these new drivers to know about the features of the app and how they can win their bonuses. Mentors will receive a money reward if the new driver fulfills two important conditions. The new driver should have spent more than 30 hours online 14 days from the date of appointment to the mentor. The average activity level within 14 days of the new driver should be 77.5 points or more. Besides, the mentor may receive useful gifts for each successful new driver. Usually, there are 4 drivers in a group. But if they have a very successful rate, then the number of drivers under each mentor may be more. Drivers who meet the following conditions can become a mentor. Number 1, you should be a driver of very high rating. And number 2, you should have spent many hours online. We invite to the program experienced drivers who have passed all stages of the selection process. Then our selection system assigns new drivers to the mentors. At the end of the program, if newcomers meet certain requirements, the mentor is rewarded. Participation in the program as a mentor is confirmed monthly. We call the new drivers and ask them about their mentors. If 50% or more report that they were not contacted or refuse to interact, we remove the mentor from the program. What are the benefits for new drivers after completing the program? If you are a new driver with a mentor guidance, you will perform several tasks at once. The most important thing is that the mentor will teach you how to earn more money on Yango Pro. You will also understand the application and learn its features very quickly. The mentor will help you deal with emerging challenges and answer any of the questions you have with the app. You would also learn a lot of life hacks from an experienced person. How can mentors and new drivers interact? In fact, there are no requirements here. It could be phone call, it could be messages, it could be through WhatsApp, it could be through Telegram and the likes. The main thing is that it should be convenient for both drivers. For example, you can chat on Messenger, make a phone call as I said, or meet in person. Here, we do not limit anyone in any way. The main thing is the contact of the two people, and that the new driver is not left alone to learn the application. He can always call to ask any question and get an answer to it, or get some advice on earnings, bonuses, and the likes from one of our most experienced and efficient senior colleagues. In my opinion, this is a very advantageous offer for both experienced drivers and drivers who have just joined Yango. We will send invitation messages for participation in the program. We are going to send this through messages and also via the app. So you need to look at the message portion of the Yango Pro app. All you need to do is to leave a request by clicking on the link in that message. This will be a very exciting offer for drivers. We are waiting for you to join the mentorship program, and there will be lots of rewards for both experienced and new drivers. Yango, let's go.